Yo, Empress, I just said I like we come up with something we can help the woman them in Jamaica. Yo, me get to find out the majority of them girls here I go through heavy period pain. Like them period heavy flow, some not have no period at all. And them I go through excruciating pain. I wonder if we could have built something to help them girls here.
Alright, I have something, Yeah, I have something because, I'm coming from a so called first world country and the food bad and everything. So my period was painful, heavy, everything. So when I came here, I made the tea and with the herbs here and the tea. When I drink the tea, I so what the thing is, you drink the tea 3 days before your period,
Right,
and you continue for the next 4 days. So that's 7 days out of the month.
right,
So it cleans your body out.
right.
So the next month you see your period pain feeling a bit better.
Uh-huh.
It's less pain,
Right,
and then the days are going down as well. So you might have women have period for 7 days or 5 days. The days
right.
start reducing as
Oh.
the month go along.
So what cause the period pain make it so?
So the whole things that you put on your skin,
Like makeups?
yeah, makeup, the body creams, they
Right,
all got and especially the meat, the chicken,
right.
yeah, the chicken, because obviously they feed the chicken with the hormones, so it gets
Oh.
transferred to you.
From the birds to
Yeah,
the
and it causes disruptors.
right.
Hmm.
Okay.
So that's where the pains come from as well, and the old frankfurter, all the processed food and
The
everything.
Frankfurt and the chicken nuggets with they love for breakfast
Yeah,
in a
yeah.
Jamaica. Them they
So
cause
yeah,
period cramps.
processed food.
Oh, so the K with the C and the king with the
Yeah.
burger.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So
And the makeup and the
so this tea is it expensive?
no, no, I reduced it to about 3,000 Jamaican dollars.
Oh,
Cheap, cheap,
it's 3,000. So
cheap,
it's
cheap.
coming from where?
What do you mean?
Yo, the price is coming from.
Oh, 6,000.
Okay, no, it's at three, and it's
Yeah.
available for people overseas as well.
Of course, it's on the website.
So why so much ladies in a Jamaica that
Because
go through
I
every
know.
period and they're not buying
No,
this?
because when you go through the pain for that one time for the month, you forget after it. So we'll
Oh,
remember when you're in pain, and by the time
oh,
you're supposed to get it, you're not gonna want it. Then you forget about it. So
okay.
you have to get it to prepare for that month. I'm telling you, it works. Like I now see my period for 3 days, say 2 days, and the last day is just like nothing. Which is
Wow.
that's how it's supposed to be. Pain,
Oh,
I don't have no pain anymore. I used to have cramps down my legs, everything, but I don't have that anymore. So
oh,
even if you're eating meat and all those type of thing, you can really and truly see the difference if you start drinking the tea,
okay.
because as the months go by and
Right.
tops 2 months tops, your period days will come down, the heaviness will reduce, everything.
Okay. Well, Empress True Virgin, boy, I'm so glad to meet you in this time and space because honestly, the Jamaican women, the melanated women, and women over abroad and a yard need help. There is women going through too much pain for period having it that it is natural. It is not natural.
And I can't blame them because they try a lot of things, but what a lot of people don't tell them is you've got to change the diet. And I have a friend who says to me that, you know what, 1 week before my period comes, I stop eating meat, and it works.
Wow, that's a bonus, people. Yo, we can't say everything in a one video, but to support women with less days in having menstruation, share this video, like it, leave a comment, and tell me if you are one experiencing it. And to support the foundation, all you have to do is just share this video. And if you are ready to start working on yours, we're here to assist you. Yo, one love, and thank you for your information, and thank you for creating that tea. When name my tea though?
Moontime tea.
Moontime tea. Alright, people know hear that. Here we have to get out of here. Heavy period cramps. I got your Empress Divine. KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system